Yep, that's me.
Hello everyone, here's Carol from Grankers team.
Yeah, I know I'm bad at it, but anyways, here's my cloud, here's my brain and ideas. A few years ago I realized most of development journals are useless. They are built to sell, not to change you. So I started designing my own. And I failed. Because I had the same problem I was trying to solve. Lack of real system. A year and a half later I was a little wiser. We built everything, took the old ideas, made them new, found clarity, finally felt relief, built momentum. I came back even though I failed more than once before. So, for the next 90 days I'm working on this journal, so you can feel exactly what I felt, because success isn't just discipline, it's systems. And I help you build yours. But you have to trust me, just drop your email. When the journal arrives, you'll thank yourself for the risk you took. It wasn't even a risk. You'll build a clarity like the cover of this journal and you write your self, legacy, rules, story, systems, future, self, legacy, rules, story, systems. Progressio.